Have you ever made an appointment with a potential buyer and then this person didn't show up at all? Well, I can understand how frustrating it is. I've experienced that as well. In my previous company, I was called the appointment making machine. I rocked in making appointment. However, the problem is my attrition rate is also the highest, 50%, the highest in the team. It is a waste of time, resources, and it's demoralizing. Though I advocate on HeartSell, connecting people through the heart before selling, but if they don't meet me for appointment, if I don't talk to them, if we don't have a discussion, even if I have a heart, there is no one to connect to. So I got to implement some tactics into the process to improve my show-up rate. So I'm going to share with you the 3 things that I implemented into the process that increases my show-up rate, reduces the attrition rate. If they gotten something for free, chances are they won't cherish it, they will throw one side, keep inside the drawer, and never look at them again. So one of the things that I implemented into the sales process is this law of scarcity. It is not easy to book an appointment with me. Meaning to say, when I make an appointment with a potential buyer, it will never be tomorrow. It will be 3 days later at least, or sometimes I purposely push it to 1 week later. I am giving them a perception that I am all booked out, I am pretty busy, and the only slot is 1 week later. In order for this to work, in the first place, they knew that I have something to share with them, and they wanted to have that information. But it's easy, I'm all booked out. To meet me, it's 1 week later, it's 3 days later. So they cherish that appointment. And the second thing that I did is I will call it if they didn't show up. Now this might challenge your old mindset, because the old mindset is about pleasing your potential buyers, making them feel good, even if they are wrong. You know, heard of the saying, customer is always right. But I do not believe that. I believe that each of us should respect each other's time. If you waste my time, I will call it on you. Of course, I'm saying it in a different way. I don't go to them and tell them you are wasting my time. Because know this, the buyers don't care whether they are wasting your time. I will phrase it in a way that they took away someone else's opportunity. Because of them, that person didn't get to meet me during that time slot. Yet, they didn't show up. In a way, I play the guilt trip game, but also indirectly, I'm telling them you are wasting my time. Some of you may be asking, really? Can I do that to my potential buyers? Wouldn't that piss them off? Now, when I apply these call it tactics to my process, did I reduce attrition rate? Not exactly, but it increases the make-up appointments rate. So after hearing what I said, after guilt tripping them, what usually will be the response? They'll usually say, okay, can we rearrange for another appointment? So I apply the first tactic, law of scarcity again. Sure, we can rearrange again, but that will probably be 2 weeks later because I'm all booked up. Sometimes I will throw in, after checking, I do have a next Monday 30-minute slot from 3 to 3:30. Would you mind meeting me during that time? So a combination of the first and second tactics to increase the show-up rate reduces the attrition rate. So now I'm going to come to the third tactic. The third tactic is stating it from the beginning. I inform the potential buyers that in the case that they decided not to show up, please inform me so that I can give that slot to another person. Indirectly, I'm telling them I'm actually quite fully booked. There are people who want to meet me. But because that slot was booked by you, I can't give it to another person. But since you decided not to show up, I can quickly get someone else in. On top of that, I'm giving them an option to back out. It is absolutely fine to change your mind. All they need to do is just inform me. So these are the 3 tricks that I apply into my sales process and really help me to increase my show-up rate for prospective buyers. So something that you can apply, something that you can implement, go test it out and see how it does for you. Write in the comments. Let me know how it is for you. And thank you for watching. Oh yes, do subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.